Cornerstone family and friends. Hey, this is Pastor Jason here again. Hey, I just wanted to welcome you to our part 2 of our Simply Homeschooling video. In this video, we have CyndI Thompson again talking about life lessons and structure while homeschooling. And I want you to think about this and remember, this season of life we're in is an opportunity to shape the character of our children while they're at home. And remember, keep it really simple. Discipleship happens 1 minute at a time. As we see opportunities to help children grow in their faith, in their knowledge of God, and in their relationship with you and the Lord, discipleship can happen. And CyndI Thompson talks about a couple ideas on what you could do and also structure. And we're sitting in my shop right now. I like to work in the shop. I like to do stuff with my hands. I like to fix stuff, repair stuff. And sometimes I need a lot of structure. Sometimes I need not as much structure. I can take a break. Sometimes I just need to not be interrupted so I can figure something out. And she talks about how that's really important for some kids, and some kids it's not, and allowing them to take a break. She has some great wisdom to share with us on this. And then also she shares some great resources also to help you with this. And then she says her great quote here: perfection is not the goal, shaping their character is the goal. And I love that she says that. So enjoy this video. It's about 2 minutes long. I think you're going to be blessed by it, because I was.
We also do home ec. We cook, we bake, we let them pick out their recipe. They do math, figuring out how many teaspoons, tablespoons. Learning to sew, having them learn how to sew on a button is a great life lesson. Making headbands, just simple things. If you have some extra old clothes that you just don't want to give to donate, use those right now and this time to recycle. Structure is important. We a lot of times, based on the kid, need more structure than others. They'll write out their own schedule and make a checklist and mark it off when they're done, and that gives them a good feeling of accomplishment of getting it done. We can do it on a whiteboard or a piece of paper or the chalk out in the driveway. Have them take breaks. A lot of times, if they've worked hard on something, tell them, okay, when you finish this subject, then go out and jump on the trampoline for 5 minutes, and set the timer with Alexa. Those things just kind of help break up the monotony of it. Having their book supplies and their pencils and everything all kind of together where they can access them and get to them has been helpful. My girls know where their books are. They each of them have a tote that they keep all their stuff in. Cleaning up at the end of the day helps with the chaos at the end of the day and makes you feel like you're starting with a clean slate in the morning. We also have a Facebook page, Reach of Florence. That's a homeschool group that I'm part of. We post some things on there, especially now with this change, that might be good resources for you and give you some extra ideas from homeschoolers. Just remember, though, that perfection is not the key, or perfection is not the goal. It's to shape their character. You have a great opportunity right now to help them grow in patience, kindness, gentleness. A's are great, but a character that's shaped, that reflects Christ, is even better than A's.